Amaro lukumo we. Abilo cleverio, but Nabutalo. What do you mean of a date? Manda better again. So and we love fast. Then under locking.
Poyo na tek tutwa luako kumo amobino makonyowa luako muze amoro yin roto Yesu Kristo po ma goho poyo no bino nya do Martin obong akobo ko pario amuze o hakere
DJ kwa sound Martin background leo
ko na machiel mo carro tutumia rio kire pira rio ya dek idwe ma paru ya rio muze anagoye chim onoti pashu anade kobe di pera chela mauti mere kuma wuba chel me mot kan wuba ne no tia ngwe kero pik pe nge ngwane ti mere kome kemo te make to tamani luen kar chikre traffic officer ame onoti yo anade kobe muze ni ano kelo kopi nyima ni atieri muze de kobani timber tiek loko dang ben ngata mai tiek lo kai mi tibere wi lobo kere kuch pe bina donye ye ka jo kelo lo bore tiek lo ana te goy ya wobi ni chim chame tunu borra ngara chela mete me ya ngeyo ni pe ko tio mot kan obedo chimo mara mo bedo coordinator ona ro bitresa kori ana te bedo cha ko beni mi ya wobi no bin borre doha te bino tuni borre doha te bedo ping wubini te kobani cha tanoro ama yiretie wai bor ko me chol umiene tamani lwen kere traffic officer ti uniform ate penyino no etimo ngo te kobani dori jo angwen ene dori jo angwen ni danga ya jano ti yere ana te kobani pe timo gina be no mer pe lwenyi ana te ko traffic officer ni chim te ya CPS paton te bino borre doha te bedo penga te wubini no turu kutok dan peti ngeye ne wubini no beri ngarane utalok te kobani chingche woro mot ngatoro time cho mer mot akono time chuni ningo ni utamoni lwen kere anate ko beni itamoni tim kore dano no ningo anate kwanyu bible re ko beni tim dano no kisha ate ko belo ni kai kwan toki wi wobi chate kwanyu toki wi anate ko imuze Awal chim ate kete line te ko yaro loko ko piano chika ni anate glo ameni kere nyima no kopka binu bori ni ben ngata mai tiego lo traffic yeta wante ya malo te ko beni wobi ni yino no mitulo en keda kado ina nana kuri komani kiri yi ngamero moloyo anate ya malo te kobeni ke chuin me kisha be bore peo karda ke apiradek o big one o gamo I police a peo chulo ginori ya te ko imuze ni atiego te kobeni kani no mara be de pay wi lobo be de tiek lo kemi ti be di kwa be an atikere biashara no be paton te moko tama me kwanyo dok lera ente kijo amera na kubigini ando adwoko business amolo ni Nairobi Motor Spare lera museo no tiere dan ana te luonge te bino borre doha te bedo kite mera chako bekere talo yako ana te ko bini museo ena do atieni ati weno ati ya da ko lera museo te chere korot ko te chako chwere kome ento pete yeye me ko buginora te ko bini museo ena yini tieni Nelson Mandela nyo ruwe wilobo ubedo ularo South Africa ni bedi buti muki piero abero ento te donyo hote nungni tino mera rio to kere tuo jonyo mirana ti chente eta ti abor kere pashu ya kiki mar donyo ko tino wek ba wurna beda chokere tino Awal te chikani pay wek pashu tura chake chawani waranyim yini beda tin kao me pashu tura man kwena muze Awalomia anabiru ya kubuni oto achara teha achara jo pashu anakubuni kachie bedo mere wibie urosho bon ngatoro no peo timo kinora be luak me omot luak me Agago time uno kisha weko bai polo dan time kisha miro bedu jome jere te yataria apera duoko microphone bora woba medo bringe ai compassion man ye achara jome pashu opuo bitresa kori ichawa du jambo tia tag ameo goya chim mano goya chim te kobuni wano tila cho oballe doko Acoli utuno tebedo tegoya chima telego kegi yiwe ka po leo na da leo mebede tie kompashu yiwe ka po ndushu kitai oba miru miugum ka kita jo beru kere lobe waka wawunu kere banya chale jo me pashu ena kobuni oba me umi Awal kwanye da oba no tikere tien lo tien wi lo ne wan tie abere chokra kwa toro ni mo ko bane wani duch utoko and chawa and na pertek wana gig lok me ko bane wana po achidikon melera paluo atepo yo bishop achu chawa dong analogo kere bitres anate go bishop achu man anabetoni unu kumingeo kache tinga toro ame mulle ape beri wi lobo positionere ame chopo kai nyima udogo bishop Alfred Alex achu peo chobalo ana beda team me ogeri ame Awal peo nyala enta Awal no minere West Nile diocese babana Jimmy Ocen obedo look ame retiring in West Nile ame Awal yete ko manado minere ana ngeo protocol me ogeri enter breaking protocol me go yichimbora achur peo kwera daddy oba mi gum alobo pero me ka wono dakono wotu na be wano kumo eto kuma chale jo amengeo ba da ojer ta yataria pien wano yini iko yataria loy dishu ba loy ye ba mi gum
ameta lokele ba dudu chao kana lokele le mono chao kana lokele le lao kene mo kana bilo kele bacholi because I want to accommodate everyone. Anna chui nyimone Nya Donald Okui atia lok achalo atina to Mawana juloni Agnes ajok Jamok teno kana bedo kana member so kana alok comprehensively loka abere yele la chala nok eta pa chama chawa category na machel lokana machel achako kede poj patoba oba omewa atela atek atela dit atela me hotel wa Roma ken Roma sub county Roma district woro na national level uchungelwa wanja magago hotel wa tutwal ye yom tutwal ba okere mebedo ipajowa kada mebedo tinere adwa poje wotoba yere ro yom ni kwa yen idwa hoen lewini keti hone kabere mekuj afwayo ba lokabena Mario award board bishop and liturgy members apoyo total mebino the sending of honorable Joseph Ochenawal and Oberdana Maroba Kadija Veno Alege Tikacha Katikan Pekeng Lego Jatikan Neo Lokamena Madek Along Pojo family members Malao Tino Jokene Kenene Winyuna Bear Adia Lokaka Baba because he's using me to communicate to you people. Utimere doko Kadiwano koi Kadipokoi Pedangadu Woro doko but in the world he left us with a foundation. Urinera Kajana Gerot foundation better here. So foundation in a way one take a teacher Meatima. First one maintaining foundation in a well because we have to first maintain the condition in a well. After maintaining then we elevate. So man be no timere. Kawana be the Rokara Chell. Don't know Rokara Chell. To be as a family. And okay, you are poor. One put you maintaining foundation at any allow you wako. So again anyway you go no. Lokameno can our both clan members. Kahawa Majuluno Kahame Otero Langa Gara. Awita Watikano Hotel Kere and road one way Commando Burgoni. Again Adabile Wine. So Jokere Kahane Loka would borrow Ruotwa, Medoco Pecha, no Berdana Chumatek, Metiko, Amati, Ikahawa, Palok and Amoti, Ya can't wait now, Calamone, Waina Lira, Waina, Quamotico, Copte to Dangabe, Yodebe Yom. So, Kinokana would I be no Pajo, Giant Ocomepe Marame, and no new tune to a Jabe, I want to make Chaho Nute, Ibe Ture, Mede. Youth project today, Jopayoe, Pendo Cope, Una Dong, Amachaka Wine, Manali Pajumere, Uchungatek, Waranim, Monolocano, but Kahawa. Locameno can along borrow Warrena, Karaja Mobino, maybe Chunkeda, Ikuatini. And I'm a banker, I work with the Bank of Africa currently at Mbale branch, but at Lera branch, I've been at Kalong branch for some good years, like 2 years. Chane at Mbale at the Bank of Africa. What another Tiamo Bino, Apoyo Total Manager Josephine, Apoyo Bino, Timo Potillo from Mbale, from Lera, Kalong, and Ajamaturo, Kalong community, Poyo Nobino, Monobel Jamanapo, Gabe, Tawete, Bichungere Keda, Machal Muse, Apoyo Nobino Total, Machung Kedwai, Janatini, Again to my bed. What now can I? Moya board Lera, Joshua T. Bob, Kerjoka do Parolo Manyango Cane, Jonka Potillo, Apoyo Nobino, Apoyo in advance. Along down to the last category, and this one will be in English. I want to communicate to the civil servants and our area MPs, our leaders in all capacities. This is my last communication to you. This is your leader. He has now gone, but he was someone who was very good. He used to do a lot of things that most of you know. Most of you were friends to him. Me standing here talking to you, I've interfaced with quite a number of you here and there through him. He was a friend. He used to visit you guys. He used to connect and share a lot of things to you. Today he's no more. He will not come back. But I beg and urge you that the same friendship that you used to share, you should not cease. You should not die because he is no more. You should continue being friends with him. The love that you used to show him, you should show to his family now. The love that is everything that you do for him, at least you can do for the family now. When he died, he left behind children who are in school. Others are done with schools, but they're not working. After a few moments, we shall get some time and we see how we can hope, because he was a great leader. He performed a lot of great duties for the district, which deserves to be appreciated. So part of the appreciation that I request from our dear leaders, the appreciation that you can show to the family of the late Honorable, you can take up the responsibility of nurturing his children, guiding them spiritually, emotionally, branding them and grooming them up to be people who are better in future, and also supporting them where necessary. That is my message to our dear leaders. And lastly, I have a communication to everyone now. Luak me Arum sub-county, Luak me Omot sub-county, Luak me Agago district, kwena ne Wadboro. Oba no me wa telane. Telane wena tela be, atia be. Ene do ba kwa yoko tinini. Pedong adogo. Ene no ko ne ko biuni. Ene wora ka we weekend. Through one of these family members at the Kane. I can go look at a cat. I don't know better thing for you.